Hi everyone, it's Marshelle here. I am starting a new challenge. So I am decluttering to make room for joy, purpose in the next chapter of my life. And I want you to come with me. When we clear our space and we clear our minds, if you're craving a fresh start, join me in this challenge. Welcome to day 1 of the 30-day declutter challenge. So today we're going to start with something small but powerful. Your purse, your wallet, or your backpack. These are things we carry with us every single day. When they're cluttered with receipts, expired cards, or just random stuff, it weighs us down more than we realize. So clearing it out makes your daily life smoother and less stressful. So what we're going to do is dump everything out on a table or couch or bed or wherever you want. We're going to toss the trash, old receipts, gum wrappers, expired coupons, whatever's in there. And then we're going to keep only what we truly need. Your ID, your debit cards, your cash, maybe some lip balm, your essentials. And then we're going to organize it back neatly. So we're going to give ourselves 5 minutes to begin. Let's set the timer. Did you have any questions? Are you guys ready to set the timer? Okay, we're gonna have 5 minutes. It's simple. Let's go ahead and grab our things first. Let's go ahead and grab everything first. So, I have my little purse here. I bought a couple backpacks because I have lots of backpacks here. So I bought a few of those. Bought a few of those. So what we're gonna do is set the timer, okay? Hi, Alexa, set the timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Let's go. All right. You guys, so everything out on your table. You can go around your house and get your items. Let's make it happen. This is my little bag right here. It's like my little fanny pack I like to carry with me, but I keep all my essentials in here so I don't have to have a big purse. So I'm gonna clear this out. I cleaned out my receipts one day earlier. So I shouldn't have any of those, but I do have some little trash in here. A pen broke, so I'm gonna trash that. Thank you guys for doing this with me. Makes it more fun. All right. What are you guys finding in your purse? You finding old receipts? Share with us. You can write down in the comments what you find. I have a lot of change in here. Look at all this change. All right, so I'm gonna put that in a little space. All right, and then as you're cleaning out one item, put things back in that you need. And then after that, move to your next bag. Because I have backpacks and purses. I do need to add some more of my business cards in here while it's on my mind. I have like gift cards I haven't used, Top Golf. I'm definitely gonna use that sometime this month. I have a Walmart card. I have some free appetizers from Texas Roadhouse. I need to use that. Found some more trash. Even got some tea. A tea bag in there. Which I'm gonna leave that in there because sometimes I be wanting tea. And there is no tea where I'm at, and it's always easy to get hot water. Got my lip gloss, it's going back in there. Putting a pen in there. Got my keys. Some cash. So put it in. The stuff that you need. All right, we're probably about halfway there. My little fanny pack is all clear. All right, next is the backpack. Oh my God, I be having all kinds of stuff. Ooh. That was my oil. Serenity. Do you guys like Serenity oil? It's really great for sleep. So, pens in here. All right, I'll leave the pens. Take out all this other stuff. Oh my God, it's just junk. Old receipts, old ticket stubs, boarding passes. All right, this bag is empty. Well, I did have some seeds at the bottom. Put that in the trash. All right, now it's empty. So what am I gonna add back in here? I probably will need my sunglasses. Put those in here. And a pen, of course. Phone charger. I always like to have extra phone chargers. A toothbrush. I could use a toothbrush in there. Old receipts, old receipts. All right. That was 5 minutes. All right, Alexa, stop. Okay. So that was 5 minutes. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about the 5 minutes? All right, so I feel pretty good. So now that we've done this, I hope you feel better. I'm sure you do feel better. So if you have had a chance to do it, go ahead and put a check mark in the comments or comment done for day 1. And we will continue tomorrow for day 2. I want you to like this video, subscribe, share with others if you want others to join our challenge. So we're gonna tackle day 2 tomorrow. It will be another quick win. We will be doing magazines and junk mail. So let's keep going together. So I have a bonus for you. If you can rewatch and do this again, if you got the tiny bug that has bitten you and you want to go again, you can go again for another 5 minutes. Let me know how things go, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Bye.